Yo, it's me, JT, the Memphis BBQ man, and this is my first video. I wanted to put some content together to show my abilities as a chef and future restaurateur. My preferred way to cook is by the grill. I love to grill, and I can grill anything. Check me out right here. Yes, from salmon to steak to pork to lamb to grilled vegetables, you name it, I can grill it. I specialize in grilled meats with soul food sides, from greens to cabbage to mac and cheese to candy yams, dressing, anything, you name it. And I also can make some delicious desserts. I am based here in South Florida, and my purpose is to bring my southern style food here to the coastal vibes of South Florida. But cooking is something that I enjoy doing, and I wanted to start a business with it. Opening a restaurant here in South Florida is my main goal right now. The reason I enjoy cooking is because I enjoy bringing people together. Good food always does and always will bring people together. To me, there's no better feeling than having family over and they be like, man, your food is fire. I'm going to be putting out different content every week. And if you have some ideas, suggestions, or requests that you would like to see me make, reach out to me. I like to talk and converse about good food. Hold on one second. Yes, and like I was saying, you can reach me on all social media platforms that include Facebook, IG, TikTok, and even YouTube. I have a QR code that you can scan. Check me out. Follow me for more. Like and subscribe. This particular video, I made sweet baked corn, cornbread, grilled chicken, and homemade collard greens. I mean, the greens had the whole house smelling good for about 2-3 hours. But yeah, I mean, if you can see yourself trying any of this food, just hit the like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. More to come.